my channel. So guys, we are out. See this man here. Anyways, we are going to get some stuff and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Papa, oh yeah, could you, Papa? See, my papa is washing plates for me, guys. You see, the joy of when they don't go to work. When they don't go to work, this is the joy. Say hi now, baby.
Hi guys, join me washing me plate.
Which one is joining you and washing me your plates? Anyways, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe, bringing another vibes on your table. So yeah, this is our joyful joy when they don't go to work. They will help you in the house, you see. Should we be praying that there should be holiday? Because we cannot pray that there should not be work.
How you go take job?
That's what I'm saying, there should be holiday now. I did not say you should not work, I said there should be.
How many holidays do you want? How many?
Every day. My brother-in-law is coming, like our papa now, our father is coming, okay? So hubby is just helping me with the dishes. I just want to go and do some just small clean and mopping other places, and then we'll now look for what we'll prepare for him. Abby?
Certainly. I see my face.
See your nose. Your nose. See as my own is big. Right back, guys. Yes, so guys, this is me don't fry my chicken, and someone dropped in my comment section the last time I made fried rice. He said drop your fried rice recipe, and I'll be like, are you serious? Because I don't get any recipe. So this is basically me learning from other persons and then making my own. And yeah, you guys are just going to be seeing everything I'm doing here, because I try and as much as possible to like film every process of this particular fried rice, and then at the end of the video you guys are going to let me know what you think about this fried rice. And yeah, so fried rice is one food I love so much, and I love my carrots. Oh. See, power of editing. Anyways, fried rice is one food I love so much, and I love my carrots having different shape and different designs. So aside just my carrots, I love other of my what they call it, my veggies, to be having different shapes and different designs. So anyways, without me not saying too much, please, if you've not subscribed at this point of this video, do also subscribe, like the video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. I'll just allow you guys enjoy the rest of the recipe coming from this my fried rice, and then don't forget to let me know where you're watching from. I love to send a very big hug to Mary eBay. Thank you so much for always watching us. Thank you for watching us all the way from Lagos. We're sending you a big hug. Thank you, keep supporting us. So you guys, let us know where you're watching from, so that in our next videos we're going to be sending you guys hug. I love sending hugs to you guys. Okay, so enjoy. Peace out. Talk now.
Hi guys, very good evening to you. Come join us eat. It's time to eat fried rice and salad avec chicken. It's the best. I tell you, it's the best.
So guys, this is my food. Rate my food in the comment section. Okay, there's recipe for this food, and I'm going to let you guys, I'm going to upload it for you guys. Okay, yeah. Let's dish it out.
Was it bothering now? Wonder what happened to go home. Where was them go home now? Come on, it's not. I'm making sure. Don't know that it's not everybody that I will call.